And here comes number 13, Mr. All, coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's all fucking He's talking out his neck. He gon' meet that fucking. We gon' kick your door. 1, 2, 3.